the smart grids issue has a bright future. It is important because of energy conservation, the necessity to reduce energy consumption and integrate renewables into the grid in a cost-effective manner. With smart grid, you have the possibility to introduce new technologies in a very clever way. For example, electric cars, plug-in cars. So people come home at night, they plug in their cars, and then what happens is that the battery, the leftover electricity in the battery would supply electricity into the grid at night. But will be fully loaded in the morning when it comes. So at peak time you have another source of power generation, actually. It will thus help to shape the peak load. And smart grid, this is just one example, the car example. It's the same, very similar with all consumer electronics, with all devices that use electricity in a way that the consumer tells what time it needs to be finished. Same with the washing machine, same with the dishwasher. Then with the communication, with the two-way interaction, what time the electric device starts operating, the time is chosen such that this is a time of low overall system demand. So the peak demand gets reduced. This reduces the demand for installed capacity. This brings energy conservation. And this is very good in terms of energy storage and new generation capacity. So there is a great future, in my opinion, in smart grid, smart information and communication technology, of course, that would be developed within the concept. Currently, there are several pilot applications, but each one has its unique problems. The problem is that we cannot, for example, model the smart grid concept in a unified manner that would be applicable for all markets. In terms of energy modeling, for example, there is not a model where we can elaborate on the smart grid as a whole. The problems are, a major problem in my opinion is the acceptance by consumers, the acceptance in the sense that there is the need for new investment for replacing old equipment, and this investment, who is going to finance this investment, and how are the consumers going to adopt this? These are, in my opinion, the major problems. It's going to be more expensive in the beginning, but cheaper in the long term.